What's going on, guys? Alright, so this is not really the ideal video I wanted to make, but it is what it is. So we had a little mishap with the car. It was last Friday, so it's been a week now. I've been kind of holding off making this video only because I had to create a police report and all, and I really don't want to throw too much detail out of everything, how it happened and all, but I can at least show you what all has happened to the car and everything, and keep y'all up to date in the process of everything of getting the car repaired. So a lot of the damage, pretty much all the damage, is here in the front end. Didn't really see anything underneath it. It's really hard to tell just how low it is. Just wait till we get on a lift and everything to really see if there's any other damage underneath the car. But yes, so last Friday got a little incident with the car. You can see I done some front end damage here. Doesn't look too bad. Got a marker light busted out, bumper, but if you go digging a little deeper, you can see there's a lot more damage. See, the radiator's all nice and twisted. I am surprised it's not leaking. You can really tell here the fans and everything. I've already pulled the downpipe off, so I can get the car into the garage. I had it out in the park or in the driveway, but I need to get it in the garage, so I had to take the downpipe off. I'll show you the reason why in a second. But I don't know if you can see it or not. I pushed in the lower radiator support and it pushed the downpipe into the crank here, or the pulley. So this starts the car off. This starts the car up. The pulley it looks warped, but the balancer looks nice and straight still. So I really don't think it hurt anything except for the pulley. Engine runs fine. You can see it or not. You can see it dug right into the downpipe. It went right through the pipe. You can see kind of the bottom part here is just pushed out. It did tweak this a little bit. And looking at the frame rails look really good. I don't see anything tweaked in them. The only thing I did notice is a little tweaking here and here. Other than that, the fender's pretty much is tore up pretty good. If you look at it, it's kind of bent out here. Kind of gave it the wide body stance here. And get up underneath the car, we managed to tear up the intercooler pretty good. It's all bent up, really tore up here, and that charge pipe there, so all that's going to have to be replaced. Go ahead and replace this bumper cover. Obviously the headlights here tore up pretty good. They're on both sides. So what else? Not sure K members jacked up or not. Like I said, it's really be easier to get the car up in the air so we can actually see if there's any more damage underneath it. But as far as I can see, everything's here on front of the car. When I got it home, the passenger side wheel was pointing out, so the steering is jacked up. It's way out of alignment. I don't know if it jacked up the rack or what, but this wheel is pointing out. Like I said, that's all I'm able to see. Yesterday the insurance appraiser came out, looked at everything, and hopefully I will hear something early next week. I do have full coverage on the car. I do have appraised value and everything on it, so I just waiting to see what the insurance is going to say. Oh yeah, we got a little damage here on the hood. My custom hood here already had a hole in it for the elbow. And we had a little damage here on top. It's hard to see, but try here. Not sure if the camera's picking it up or not, but there's a little ding there. The rest of the roof looks fine. Nothing's crimpled or anything in it. So that's all the damage I saw on the car. Car starts up and drives. Well, I mean, I won't say drives, but it starts up. I was able to drive in the driveway just fine, or into the garage just fine. And she's really dirty. But I'm not gonna give out much details yet until we start getting the insurance, everything pretty much taken care of, and kind of give you the idea of what happened to the car and everything. But right now, as far as I can tell y'all, there's damage to the car, and we're in the middle of getting things fixed. Well, we're in the process of getting things fixed, I should say. I'm alright. There was nobody else with me when it happened, so like I said, it was just me. Nobody else was involved, and we just had a little mishap with the car. So really curious what the insurance is gonna say, and we'll just go from there. But guys, this is what has gone down with the car in the last couple weeks and everything. I was actually in the middle of making a video, but we stuck some new injectors in, got rid of the 80s, got some 130-pound injectors in. The car's running real good, so now we just had this little setback here. Hopefully we can get it fixed, and go from there. So well, guys, I'm gonna end this video here. If you have any comments, be sure to leave a comment below. I'd like to see what you think, what I should do to the car as far as repairs and everything. Like I said, I do have full coverage on it. I have Grundy, I guess I'm pronouncing that right, insurance on it. I do have a appraised value. I'm not going to say what it is, but there is a appraised value on the car. And like I said, there's full coverage on it. So, but like I said, you have a comment, leave a comment down below. Be sure to give it a like, and if you're not on my Facebook page, Facebook group page, be sure to go ahead and join it, because I post a lot of stuff on there. And if you're on there now, you already know what happened to the car. So, but guys, until next time, I will see y'all later.